Hey guys, how are you guys doing today? It's Teresa, and I'm making slime, but not ordinary slime, with hand soap. So yeah, let's do this. Let's get this up right here. So big, it's a cannon. Let me use this. Getting something to write. The bottom stuff. Yeah. So, okay. Oh, this smells bad. Horrible.
Mira.
Okay.
No hagas ese cochinado ya, sí, hija.
Okay. Thank you.
Ya no vayas a hacer ese moreno.
Okay. Taha. So, what I'm gonna do is, because I use this side, so I'm gonna grab some soap. Squirt, squirt. It's up here. I don't know if you can see this. I'm using like something that's not stable right now. And then I'm gonna grab some salt. And a pinch of salt. Oh, that's bad. Never throw your salt on the floor. And just mix. Till it's like that. More salt. Another pinch. And then I'm going to do 2 pinches. And see how 2 pinches work. Well, 2 pinches are good. So I'm going to put this for 10 minutes. So yeah, I'm going to put this in the freezer, And it's depending on your freezer. Mine, I'm going to put it for 10 minutes because it's just 10 minutes and see how it is, okay? Cool. So 10 minutes are over, so I'm going to go get the thing. The slime. So yeah, I'll come back. I put mine for 15 minutes, and I think it just got a little cold. But yours should go like to 10, and so it could be like this. Let it cool down for a little bit. This is cold, and does it stick to me? No, it's just chunky. I'm gonna add my salt. Mine was an epic fill. Gosh, that's nice. Everything cold. So yeah, it's slimy. Okay, so it did work. So all you have to do is salt, and put in the refrigerator for 10 minutes or less, depending. I put mine for 5 minutes. So peace, people. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and if we get to 10 subscribers, no, 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway or something. You guys comment down below. Okay, bye.